When you're working on a project in Scrivener, the binder is your main organizational tool. You create folders and texts and use them to structure your work. You can rearrange these items while you're writing or when you revise your project. When you create a new project with a Scrivener template, you'll see some items in the binder. This is an empty project using the novel template. At the top, there's a folder labeled Manuscript, which is meant to hold your project. Below this, you can see one folder and one text file, labeled Chapter and Scene. Folders can be chapters, but they don't have to be. A folder could be a chapter or part of a chapter, and each text file could be an entire chapter, a scene, or part of a scene. The binder gives you a lot of flexibility to arrange items as you like. You can add new folders and text to the binder by clicking the Add button. Click the down-pointing arrow and choose New Folder or New Text. Scrivener adds the new item just below the currently selected item. You can also add new texts in a folder by selecting the folder and then pressing Return. And you can create new folders and text from the Project menu. They are added below the selected item. If you want to add items from the keyboard, just press Command-N on Mac or Control-N on Windows to create a new text file. Command-Option-N or Alt-Shift-N creates a new folder. Finally, you can add items by clicking one of the two buttons in the binder footer. Click the button on the left to add a text and the one on the right to add a folder. Folders and texts are the basic building blocks of a Scrivener project. Instead of writing in one long file, you can write in smaller files, organize them in folders, and rearrange them any way you want, either while you're writing or when you revise your project. You can download a 30-day free trial of Scrivener from Mac or Windows at scrivener.com.